What if Cadillac did not just build luxury cars, but created a 5-star hotel that moves at 70 miles per hour? Today, we are stepping into one of the most ambitious vehicles ever made. And trust me, you have never seen anything like this. In this full-length episode, we are diving into something truly exceptional and unexpected: the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Yes, Cadillac has officially entered the luxury motorhome world with a bold vision that blends elegance, innovation, and American craftsmanship. This episode is your complete guide, from the design to the driving experience, from the interior comfort to the real ownership value. So, grab a coffee, sit back, and join us as we explore the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome from top to bottom. At first glance, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome looks like a futuristic concept brought to life. The exterior features sharp body lines, Cadillac's signature vertical LED lighting, and a gloss black front fascia inspired by the Escalade. Its sleek shape is not just for looks. Active grille shutters and airflow channels help improve fuel efficiency. Chrome accents, motorized slide-outs, a wide panoramic windshield, and flush windows give it a premium automotive feel instead of a boxy RV look. Cadillac also offers luxury two-tone paint options with metallic finishes and ceramic coatings. This brings true automotive-grade styling into the RV world like never before. Step inside, and it feels like a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. Every material screams luxury. Open-pore real wood, hand-stitched semi-aniline leather, and brushed aluminum details are used throughout. The living area includes a power reclining sofa, a retractable 75-inch OLED smart TV, and ambient lighting that changes with the time of day. The kitchen rivals modern apartments. You get an induction cooktop, a steam oven, and an under-counter wine cooler. A digital skylight stretches across the ceiling, creating daylight effects during the day and star patterns at night. The master bedroom offers a king-size memory foam bed, personal climate controls, and sound-insulated walls. The spa-style bathroom includes a rain shower, heated marble floors, and a smart mirror. This is not just an interior. It is art in motion. Now let's talk about what powers this luxury machine. This motorhome is not just about comfort. It is a serious performance vehicle. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is built on a custom unibody chassis based on GM's heavy-duty truck and EV platforms. It is available in both gasoline and electric versions. The standard model uses a 6.2-liter V8 engine tuned for RV use. It produces over 430 horsepower and is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. For those who want cleaner power, there is an all-wheel drive electric version using GM's Ultium battery technology. It delivers up to 580 horsepower and more than 700 pound-feet of torque. Despite its size, the electric model can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6.5 seconds. That is almost unheard of for a motorhome. Adaptive air suspension smooths out rough roads, while rear-wheel steering makes tight turns and parking much easier. Cadillac has packed this motorhome with advanced technology. The dashboard features a wide wraparound OLED display with augmented reality navigation, system data, and customizable layouts. Voice and gesture controls manage lighting, climate, and entertainment. The rear cabin has a central touchscreen command system with over-the-air updates and real-time monitoring. Cadillac's smart connectivity system links with your phone and smartwatch. You can check water levels, control temperature, manage power, and monitor solar usage remotely. It also includes satellite internet, LiDAR-based collision avoidance, a 360-degree camera system, self-parking, and even automated campground maneuvering. Safety is taken just as seriously. The motorhome includes advanced driver assistance, adaptive cruise control, lane support, and semi-autonomous driving features. Its reinforced safety structure uses advanced materials to improve protection inside and rollover impacts. Inside, you get fire suppression, smoke and carbon detectors, and an encrypted emergency response system. Biometric locks, facial recognition entry, and interior monitoring sensors can detect pets or children left inside and send instant alerts. It is a luxury fortress on wheels. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome starts around $395,000 for the V8 version. The electric all-wheel drive model starts closer to $450,000. Fully loaded versions with solar panels, extended batteries, and custom materials can reach around $520,000. This vehicle is clearly aimed at high-income buyers, luxury travelers, and business owners. Compared to other premium RVs, the price is competitive when you consider the design, technology, and factory-built quality. This is not just a purchase, it is a lifestyle investment. Ownership includes higher insurance and maintenance costs, but Cadillac plans limited production and long-term service support to protect resale value. Business owners may also benefit from tax advantages if the vehicle is used for work, travel, or content creation. It is not an impulse buy, but it is a powerful long-term asset. The true strength of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is balance. It combines luxury with real usability. It drives smoothly, feels intuitive, and is designed for long-distance comfort. With Cadillac's brand legacy and limited production, it offers exclusivity and confidence. Most importantly, it is one of the only fully factory-built luxury motorhomes from a global automotive brand. No conversions, no guesswork, just complete luxury on wheels. That concludes our full review of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. A bold mix of design, comfort, performance, and modern mobility. If this inspired your next journey, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more long-form automotive reviews. And tell us in the comments, if you owned this Cadillac Motorhome, where would you go first? Until next time, stay curious, stay mobile, and never stop exploring.